Hello students, today we will learn about our environment. Environment literally means surrounding in which we are living. It includes all those things on which we are directly or indirectly dependent for our survival. It includes living components like animals, plants, or non-living components like soil, air, and water. It has two types of waste, biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste can be decomposed by microorganisms such as bacteria, enzymes, and fungi, whereas non-biodegradable waste cannot be decomposed into organic and environmentally safe waste products. It is unlike biodegradable objects which can easily be decomposed by soil bacteria into organic and safe waste materials. Biodegradable waste can break down into natural components, whereas non-biodegradable cannot break down into natural components. It exists for short time and the other side it exists for long time. It can be recycled. Non-biodegradable waste cannot be recycled. Examples of biodegradable waste are old vegetables, paper, cardboard, etc. Examples of non-biodegradable are tire, plastic, metal, etc. Have you seen how waste is disposed of by the municipal corporation? They get rid of waste collected from all over the city or town in different ways. Let us learn about them. Burning. Waste is collected at one place and burnt, but burning causes air pollution and is harmful for environment. What is dumping? The proper management of the garbage or waste products from our locality from which they are dumped safely. This process too pollutes the environment. Landfills. A landfill, also known as a dump, it is a site for the disposal of waste materials by burial and is the oldest form of waste treatment. It allows the land to be used for making parks and gardens. Composting is a natural process in which yard waste material decompose into a dark, rich nutrient, sweet-smelling soil conditioner. What is recycling? There are several benefits of recycling. Financial benefit, conservation of resources, energy savings, community building, jobs creation, strong economy, environmental protection. Recycling is a choice. It is up to you to make that choice to recycle. Recycling is one of the best ways to protect our environment. We should learn the 3 R's of the environment: recycle, reuse, and reduce. Reducing the amount of waste is the best way to help the environment. Reuse means to use the same item more than once. Recycle means to process used material into a new product to save resources and energy. For example, use online materials, avoid using papers excessively. Example of reuse: reuse glass for other purposes like storage, decoration. Recycle example: papers for wrapping presents. There are 4 types of dustbin. Each waste has its own color. Green for biodegradable waste, blue for general waste, red for hazardous waste, and yellow for recyclable waste. We have various suggestions to save our planet Earth. Conserve water, conserve energy, plant more trees, recycle the wastage, ban the use of polythene, use renewable resources. I hope you understand the chapter. Thank you.